Hey guys, we're gonna show you some slimes we have in our slime shop. Okay, so I have birthday cake buttercream. It has some beads at the top, and when you mix it in, it's super fluffy and it smells like marshmallows.
And I got shiny watermelon that it has water beads and watermelon beads in it.
This one is my favorite smell. It smells like watermelon, the one she has. But I just got it. Here, you might need to add some more activator. If your slime is too sticky, put borax and water, mix it together, a tablespoon of borax, and then put it in. You don't want to put too much or it won't stretch. Is it better?
No, it's hard.
It's hard. Yeah, see? It will become hard if you put too much activator. You can come and check out our slime at hazels.com. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.